Alright, so if you want to follow along with this lesson, there's going to be a download link below where you can grab the file. We're going to be uploading a normal image for a print and cut inside Cricut Design Space. So this is an image that you can find off the internet. This happens to be one from our Scrappy-Doo library. And in order to upload the image, we're going to go ahead and click on Upload. Here you're going to be presented with several options. You have Upload Image, and then you have Upload Pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Upload Image, and this is where we can either click Browse, we can drop and drag. So I'm simply going to drag and drop this file right here. It's called Blue. It's a PNG file. It's a little tropical bird. It is a PNG file, which is a transparent background, which is great for tracing and print than cutting. So really, I want to choose complex and simple. I mean, if you take a look at simple, look at the colors. So this is what I wanted to point out here. So simple is very basic tracing here, probably more meant for your simple items, very, not meant for very colorful items. Moderately complex, not going to really see much of a difference on it. But you can see the descriptions here, simple details and color with good contrast between subject and background. Complex, that's what we want to do, especially for print and cut that has, thousands and thousands of colors inside of it, okay? So let's go ahead and click Continue. Now I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. You do have zoom controls here where you can zoom in and out. You do have undo, redo, and we're going to see how to use that in a different type of image in another video here. So this one is just for print and cuts. Obviously background is already transparent. We do not need to click and use the magic wand. And now I'm just going to go ahead and click on Continue. And this is going to be saved as a print then cut. This is sort of a silhouette. You can sort of see what it would cut out if we just wanted this to be a cut file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. You can name it whatever you wish. You can add tags to it so that you can search for it a little later on. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. And there we go. We should be finished. And in order to add it to our canvas, simply click on it and click Insert Image. And so this will be our print and cut. This is our PNG file anyway. So you're able to download this along with this video.